Xilinx is excited to announce the SDXL development environment for OpenCL, delivering CPU-GPU ease-of-use experience for FPGA platforms. Today's data centers require scalable hardware that provides very high performance under constraints of low power, and that is easy to program. CPUs and GPUs, whereas they provide an easy to programming experience, they are being challenged by the power consumption and by the requirements of low latency in many data center applications. FPGA technology consists out of massively parallel and programmable resources that can deliver an unprecedented performance per watt, which is 20 to 25 times better than the traditional CPU and GPU platforms. One of the challenges that you have to meet in order to accommodate the requirements of data centers is the ease of programming the software look and feel. So an essential barrier to entry in the past for FPGA technology has been the availability of a software environment that allows to compile high-level software code into the FPGA, taking benefit of the rich resources that are made available by the FPGA. So we have developed a software development environment which we refer to as our SDXL programming environment, that consists of architecturally optimized compiler that allows to take full benefit of the rich programmable resources that the FPGA has, and that also provides the capability of dynamically reprogramming the accelerators that are available in the FPGA. An important aspect of the SDXL environment is a single cockpit that delivers the software programming experience as you would expect from a CPU and a GPU environment. The software cockpit integrates both the compiler capabilities as well as the debugging and profiling capabilities by in-system instrumentation, so that people in an efficient way can analyze the implementation of their code and still stay at a very software-centric design experience. Yeah, the architecturally optimized compiler is a compiler that can use as an entry C or C++ and maps this code into an efficient implementation into the FPGA platform that can consist of a highly parallel or highly pipelined data path, and the compiler has loop unrolling, loop merging, loop pipelining, so that this results in very efficient implementations into the FPGA fabric. One of the capabilities that the SDXL environment provides is the dynamically reconfiguration of the accelerator functions. So what it supports is basically an on-demand runtime loading of new functions into the FPGA fabric. This allows for a more efficient implementation, allows for the reuse of the hardware for different applications, and therefore reduces the cost of an implementation on the FPGA. The SDXL development environment comes with a rich ecosystem of plug-and-play platform boards, libraries, video libraries, math libraries that are provided by our third-party ecosystem.